Hello, guys. This is your boy Andile Kevin Mkize. Guys, it's been a long time since I've been made a live video. I've been busy with some of the new strategy for Nasdaq and other indices. Basically, as a day night forex, we only look at Nasdaq, guys. So it's been a very tough journey. It's been a very tough journey to learn the strategy, but I decided to invest myself in it. I hope most of you knows it's because it is already become popular. I hope you all know smart money concepts. So basically, I'm using smart money differently. I don't know the way I trade it. So as you can see, on my screen, I have like coordinates. It's called coordinates intervals for Nasdaq. This is my prices. These are prices that you see here. They are very, very important. Most of the time, the markets respect it. Guys, the way I saw smart money concepts, when you trade smart money concepts, you need to be disciplined. You need to be patient also. You must make sure that you trade your setup. You must make sure that you follow the rules. Smart money concept is the one that banks and institutions use to trade. It's the one that they use to kick out retail traders. So I'm not gonna go into deep in that thing. I'm not gonna go into deep into retail traders, all those kind of stuffs. So when it comes to smart money concepts, I don't usually use trend lines. I don't use them. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't use them. I just use only the price. I use the terminology of smart money. I only use OP, and I use BOS. This is called break of structure. OP is order block. It's the same like POI, point of interest. So basically, I made the strategy easy for me to use. I don't know how other mentors use, but I made it easy for me to use it. And it's the way that I understand it. It's the way that it's made everything clear for me. The important thing that you need to understand when it's come to trading smart money, it's very easy. The first thing that you need to do, you need to find a trend of the market. So you need to find a trend of the markets. That is one thing that is very important. Another thing that you need to look, you need to find a market structure. You need to find the market structure, the markets. Another thing, the third thing that you need to look, you need to look for a break of structure. This is one of the very important things. And then after that, you need to find a point of interest. A point of interest is like this. Let's say you have an OP, an order block. A point of interest can say is similar as point of interest. It's called point of interest because we have a potential like to buy in that area. Like I have a point of interest to have an entry in this OP. I have a point of interest to have a sell in this OP. It's like that. I hope you understand me. So guys, I'm not gonna waste your time. I'm not gonna waste my time also. Let me get to the strategy and then show you how I use it. Most of the time, I use bigger time frames, and then I enter my trades on the 15 or 30 minutes part. I start from H4 most of the time to analyze it. First of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be looking at the trend. Looking at the trend, you can see that the trend is going down. We have a downtrend because the market is keep on making the lower highs. So we have a downtrend. So we are on a downtrend move, as you all can see. We are on a downtrend move on Nasdaq. We are still down. Okay. Another thing, what you need to understand, fundamental parts. So if you can understand these smart money concepts and then put fundamental parts inside it, there's nothing that is gonna defeat you when you are trading indices. So from now on, we trade like banks. We must be disciplined. We must be disciplined, guys. We must be disciplined, guys, in order for us to always win. Another thing, let's avoid to trade every day. let's wait for the market to come to us. Don't force the trade. Don't wake up in the morning and say you want to trade. Now you lose a lot of money. Be patient. Wait for the market to reach that level that you are appointed, and then you take your trade. If it goes to a loss, it's fine. It's not gonna hit like a lot. You are not gonna like lose like a lot of money when it comes to money concepts. I'll show you how. So let's get it done, guys. Okay, basically, as you can see that looking at Nasdaq, we are in a downtrend. We're in a downtrend move. You can see we have a higher high, we have a lower high, we have a lower high here. So we have a break of structure. Okay, let's get to business. Let me do like this. Okay, as you can see, let me start here. We have our higher high here. Let me point it. This is our higher high. Now put it like this. This is our higher high. This is our high high, and then this is gonna be my lower. This is gonna be my lower high. I put it like this. This is how I point it, and it always works for me. It's gonna be up to you how you understand. It's gonna be my lower high. It's gonna be my lower high, and then another lower high here again. Another lower high here. We put a lower high when the markets move strongly. Have a strong impulse move. Okay, let's put it. It's our lower high again. If I high, you have lower high, you have lower high. Okay, and then that's what you need to find a trend. As you can see that you already find it. It's a downtrend, and then what happened here? We had a break of structure. The market broke the structure. We had a break of structure here. The market broke our structure. So in order for you to find a point of interest, in order for you to find a point of interest or in OP, the market needs to break a structure. Going to daily, you're on a downtrend. Going to daily, I don't see an OP. I don't see a point. Okay, there it is. I got it here now. I got it here. Here's my point of interest here. My first one. It's gonna be my point of interest. This will be my point of interest. You don't select the whole candle. You select the last blue candle of a trend. It's made up sort of like of a operational thing. So this is our point of interest. The blue candle must be smaller, and then the bearish must be bigger in order for you to find an OP. So this is gonna be our point of interest. And then we have an order block here. We have an OP here. So we have an OP here. What I've learned here, guys, you can't find a point of you can't find a point of interest near the break of structure. That won't happen. Okay, so I want to show you how easy. Okay, there is also this is gonna be my point. This is gonna be my point of interest. It's gonna be my point of interest also. See, this is gonna be my point of interest. So this is how I do it, guys. This is how it works for me. This is how it's working for me. I don't know other mentors, but this is how it's working for me. So this is my point of interest. Okay. No, wrong. This will be my point of interest. It's gonna be my point of interest, and then this is gonna be my OP. So in the same thing, but in the same thing, it's gonna be my OP. And then I have again here my OP is also the same as point of interest. I hope I'm reading right. Okay, it's the same thing. POP, point of interest. See again. Okay, this is how I take my entries, ne? This is how I take my entries. This is how I take my entries. So since the market is gonna be opening, so I'll be waiting for the market to come here. I'll be waiting for the market to come here. Be waiting for the market to come here. Sure, this market doesn't go straight and then push up here. The moment the moment the price enters my point of interest, it's where I put my entries. It's where I put my entries. Where do I put my stop loss? I put my stop loss outside my point of interest. Outside my point of interest. This is where I put my stop loss. This is where I put my stop loss. Most of the traders, they're gonna put a trend line like this and it's gonna say it's gonna push up and then bounce here in our trend line as MC has as SMC traders we call these liquidity trend line. It's where the markets most of the time collect the liquidity to take out the retail traders and then find another OP before it's moves taking the direction. So as you can see that Nasdaq is still a downtrend. As we gonna approach our point of interest, we'll be looking for a buy. Please, guys, make sure that you use a proper risk management. We'll be looking for a buy. We'll be looking for a buy. Our OP. So this is how I analyze. This is how I do it when it comes to smart money concept. This is how I use smart money concept. This is how I kill the market with smart money concept. It's very good. It's very nice. I'm very profitable. On Friday, we ate a sell. It's a good sell because of the fundamentals, because of the inflection. So guys, please, I'll be dropping more video about smart money concepts on our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to watch. Don't forget to subscribe. May God bless you guys. Have a blessed week ahead. Have a profitable week. Stay safe. Stay warm. This is your boy Andile. Is out.